How to log into Barclaycard credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you're gonna find the search box. Type in Barclaycard credit card login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, barclaycard.co.uk. Open it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now here you'll see the option of login. Click on it. With that you will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the username or ID number. If you want to save your login info, check in for this option. Remember these details. After you type in your username or ID number, click on next. In the next page, you will need to type in your password and then click on done. And just with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Barclaycard credit card account online. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option, register your account and go through the process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.